Today we're gonna bring a PNY 512 gigs. All right, we're gonna set it up our new Pocket 3 because we actually need a lot of space. We're traveling. We're gonna be doing all sorts of videos, so we want to make sure we have enough space for us to film 4K, and 500 is, you know, the closest thing to a terabyte. It's cheaper, so I didn't want to spend too much money, so I ended up using the 512 instead of 226, 224 instead of other smaller ones. So we're gonna go ahead and do this, and I like this because you can actually add the actual port, the SD port, the converter from microSD to SD to your computers. And I have a slot in my computer, so I don't need any cables or anything else. I just take this card, put it in here, and ready to go. And this fits in my pocket book here, which is part of the actual Pocket 3, and we're gonna go ahead and set it up. So we're gonna do that today, see how it works. All right, on the actual description of the memory card right now, I just put it in, the SD card, the micro SD. It's 27 hours. This is a 1080, all right? We're gonna change it to 4K and see how many hours it gives us. We're gonna do 4K at 30 frames per second, so we're gonna see how much minutes or hours we get on this. At 4K, we're gonna get about 12 hours on this, which is 4K 30 frames per second, if you can see in the bottom. So this is a good thing. I actually need another one, so I'm gonna buy another card, so I don't have to worry about swapping cards and just keeping it. Just make sure that when you're gonna be walking around with the card, this could get magnetized if you go through some heavy duty scanners. So make sure that you're aware that these things could still be vulnerable. Magnets could still mess up the micro SD card. So just make sure that you're aware of that. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out and use it all day, but that's pretty much what I'm gonna give you guys, just a little info on the memory cards. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.